Hello friends, it is me Muna from Muna's Ethiopian Cuisine. Today back to Grass Market, Edinburgh. Start time 10 o'clock until 5 o'clock. In the evening, open my beautiful restaurant 5:30 until 10:30. Everybody just come see me lunchtime and market, street food. Also, the restaurant book your own table. Maybe some table limited available. So book your own table, guys. Also online, open table, or just call me if I can. I will get back to you. Thank you so much, guys. Today rain, cold, but I will smash it. I will smash it, guys. ይህ መልእክት ለሀገሮቼ ልጆች ዛሬ እኔ አካባቢ ያላችሁ ጎናታችሁ ነውና ሽርጉድ እንበል ደረረ ሙና ጎበዝ ናት። ሆኖ ብርድ የለ ምን የለ ማታ የገባሁት 1 o'clock ከ00 በኋላ 1 o'clock ነው። ግን እሳ ተነሳች። አሁን ደግሞ ተነሳች አልትሄድ ሽርጉድ ነው። ወዳችኋለሁ። መልካም ቀን። ቻው